Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Monopoly Go not working. Not uploading, sorry. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go not uploading, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about this window of Monopoly Go and you will enter. Then in this list we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we'll go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then you can wait a moment and then you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.